Our trainings are formulated in a way to tackle each and every individual within the data center industry, whether it is an engineer or operator or technician or manager. It includes diverse facets. We have education that is tackling the operations part of it. We have education that tackles the engineering part of it. We have education that tackles the technology part of it. So it's a holistic approach. We have contents that are constantly being reviewed and updated, and also contents that are gradually added. The trends based on the innovation in the market, based on additional information that we're receiving from the market, and based on statistics and researches.
You cannot drive a car without a license, but you're allowed to work with megawatts of power, which is extremely dangerous, and it could be extremely toxic to your health and to everybody else around you without a license. How is that possible? So you need to be licensed to operate. People in the digital infrastructure industry need to become mandated and required to hold a license. The only way you can measure somebody's ability, I mean, if you have a driver's license, it doesn't mean you're the best driver, but you at least have gone through fulfilling the requirements of being a driver. The only way you can measure somebody's ability to manage a data center facility or work in a data center premise is by taking them through the right training that delivers the right concepts so that they at least understand what they're dealing with.
IDCA offers a full pathway of data center training, starting with our infrastructure specialist course, which is phenomenal for anybody in the industry or in the space, or even adjacent to the space. It'll set up the standards framework, it'll relate that to all elements of data center infrastructure, and will leave anybody walking away with a fundamental understanding of data centers, but also a full understanding of best practices and approach.
So if you are someone that within the tech space or touching data centers or servers and so on, you may want to get your people certified, because if you get them certified, you make sure that they are held to the highest standards, which our certifications and training, these are things that were open source, and they came in from the biggest leaders in the market actually to draw these certification training together. So this is for you to ensure that your employees and your staff is held to the highest standard.
Training and certification is one of the best, I believe, after experiencing some other programs prior to IDCA. It's the most comprehensive program to enhance knowledge for industry players, and it is also an extremely important tool for ecosystem players in nurturing and empowering more talent.
Well, I think IDCA training is very important. It provides structure and guidance to anybody who takes these classes, and it gives you different professional pathways within the training, so you can go the operations direction and pathway for your career, or you can go the engineering side. And so it provides that structure that you need and enhances your portfolio, basically your personal portfolio for the companies that you're working for, and really kind of brings everything together. Just like if you were a lawyer, you would take continuing educations in law. If you were an engineer, you want to take continuing education in the engineering field. And so I think this is fantastic, and it provides that training and structure for the data center field.